Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you just sold an item on Vinted and can't find your shipping label. Don't even worry about it, it's easy to access inside the app. Well, you will need it to ship your package correctly. So Vinted usually provides it automatically after the payment. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually find your shipping label in the Vinted app. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can either open the Vinted app through Android or even iOS, log in using your email address and password, go through the inbox and find all of this. But you can also go through the Vinted.com website. I'm gonna show you how. So here through the Vinted.com, we're gonna go all the way, tap on inbox here, then open the conversation for the sold item. Scroll through the order details section, then tap download shipping label. Save the PDF to your phone or email. If you don't see it, make sure the buyer has completed the payment. Then check your email for any backup copy. As for more tips, download it immediately after sale, then double check. Basically all of the information is included. So if you're if your system supports the QR codes, you may not need to print. Just show the code at the drop off and they will be able to save it. And that's the whole idea there. So as I told you, go through the inbox, look for the conversation for the sold item, then download the label from there. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.